Good day guys, if you ever wanted to post your TikTok videos or photos, but maybe you don't have access to your phone or you just want to do it from PC because it's more comfortable, this is the video for you. So you probably know that when you open the application on the phone, you have this kind of plus on the bottom here somewhere that pretty much allows you to make a new post, whether that's a video or photo. But as you can see, if we take a look at here, which is the desktop version, this button is nowhere to be found. So there's a very smart, well, sort of smart, very easy workaround to counter that. We will use our browser advanced developer mode to bypass that. I'll right click anywhere in a TikTok, preferably not in the video, maybe like on the right or the left panel. Click, right click, and then go to inspect. And here guys, make sure that you're in elements and also that you toggle the device toolbar. And as you can see, it kind of turns my usual desktop mode into like a phone, which is a vertical resolution and aspect ratio. And in here, guys, you just go ahead and choose which kind of model you wish to choose of the phone. So this pretty much emulates the phone as if we were using the phone in the browser. Let me just choose, say, for example, iPhone SE. There you go. Actually, let's go something bigger. Let's go Samsung. There you go. Then you choose how big it is. For example, 125% should be fine. And then you just reload the page like this. And there you have it, guys. Now, as you can see, now that I scroll, I have also this plus button that will allow us to easily make a post now. So you just press on that button just like you would on the phone. From your editor, you just choose whether you want to make a new photo with a camera or just choose it from the gallery. It's up to you, and then just make a new post just like you would on your phone. If this video helped you out, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.